This is not what it looks like. Hi, wonderful people. Thanks for stopping by at this weird corner of the internet, in my literal corner. Look, June, July, summertime, the time of sales. It's not easy to withstand all the pressure, you know, that you know it's happening in the store, and you know all those fabulous pieces are on sale, and it's just a lot of pressure, you know, and sometimes you have to give in. I'd like to say that budget holder is probably going to be teeny tiny bit surprised that I have disclosed the purchase of one extra pair of shoes. However, the actual count of the extra shoes purchased was 2. What happened is I got a pair of shoes pre-ordered. I went in, they sent the right box with the right size, but the shoes in the box were wrong size. I somehow was coerced by my sales associate to try a different pair of heels. Those were fabulous, those were glorious, so those had to come home with me. We disclosed that. That was, you know, a situation, but there was nothing we could do. We then, a week later, went back to get the pre-order shoes. The right size was fantastic and they fit, and there was another pair of shoes that, you know, again, it was glorious, it was fabulous, and it was calling out our name. So we had to buy those, and then we saw one more pair and they were all on sale, and we really liked that pair. So technically we got 1 pair of shoes full price, and then we got 3 pairs of shoes 40% off. That's a great deal. That's fantastic, you know. Do you know how much money I've saved technically? So technically I'm not, you know, this is fine. So today, obviously we're talking about the iconic Christian Louboutin and his iconic red soles. I figured, you know, since I'm going to be disclosing that I bought more shoes than I was supposed to, like a lot more actually, might as well talk some fashions and try to distract from that fact. The red soles, the birth of the red soles. So let me take a step back. So Christian Louboutin is iconically known for their red soles. So the bottom of the shoe is red. That's the end of the episode. Thanks for watching. How it all came about. So the red sole came about in 1993 when Louboutin, famously, you know, rumor has it, allegedly, was so unhappy with his shoe because he felt like it was incomplete, that his designs were missing something. I was not there, you know. I'm not saying I invented the red sole. I'm not even saying I was there. But it's said that an employee was painting her nails red. I was like, that's a brilliant idea, let's paint the soles red, and off we go, we've got red soles. I know, I also expected a bit more, but hey, you know, life. At the beginning of Christian Louboutin and his journey, the OG career started much earlier, around 1980s, when he put together his portfolio, got his first job with Charles Jourdan, and then that's where he met Roger Vivier. And Christian Louboutin scored an internship with Roger Vivier. Now, if you don't know who Roger Vivier is, shame on you. Vivier, perhaps self-proclaimed, but maybe the true inventor of stiletto heels or spike heels, and the original inventor of the buckle shoe. Manolo who? If you're reading afterwards, please and thank you. No, fast forward, he put together his connections that he met being a party boy on iconic Paris nightclub scene of the 80s. I think that there's a place everyone mentions, it's called La Palais, or Palace. We knew Mick Jagger and Andy Warhol. I mean, do not tell me that did not help him meet the right people. A bit more fast forward, 1981, he secured the funds, he opens his first boutique, he opens his first salon, and coincidentally, his first customer was Princess Caroline of Monaco. You know, who knew? And again, that was certainly on Monsieur Louboutin's side, because she famously complimented him in the presence of VOD media, which sent Party Boy viral, as the kids say nowadays. So Louboutin obviously wanted to empower women, because it said that he came back from his trip in Africa, and he was in a museum that was wooden flooring, and a sign was present saying that women are not to wear spike heel as they damage the floor. We decided to empower women by saying, look, you better walk in this 12 centimeter of almost 5-inch heels. make your legs look as long as possible, your butt as cute as possible, because that's how you empower women, right? That's how you empower women, right? Yeah, that was his sole mission, pun intended. So the original heel height was close to 5 inches, 120 millimeters, 12 centimeters. And currently the heel height varies. You can get chunky heels, you can get like platforms and whatever, but it's 12 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 8.5, 6.5, 3-ish flats, probably more. Overall, the story of a party boy who decided to run away from home at the ripe age of 12, basically pushed his way through a very competitive fashion scene by partying with the right people. That's, what's not to love? So today we're going to talk about one of the icons, literally the icons of Louboutin portfolio. It's the hot chick. It's actually my favorite shades, hot chicks. No pun intended, but it kind of works. So these are this is the pair that we have all originally agreed upon purchasing. I feel so silly. It comes with extra heels thingies, red dust bag, shoes. So shoes are obviously glorious. This is the iconic shape of the hot chick. As you can see, there's a little cutout, whereas the Kate or Pigalle would not sport this gorgeous curve. The heel height is 100, meaning 10 centimeters, and it's white patent leather, and it's a limited edition. It's a Greek artist. I googled the Greek artist. Obviously, it's his art. I'm gonna put it all together so that we all know what we're talking about. And the previously mentioned iconic red sole. Fun fact: red sole is actually trademarked in a couple of countries, and litigations took place. If you're wondering, one of them was with Yves Saint Laurent, and Louboutin actually used to work for Yves Saint Laurent before he launched his own salon. He used to design shoes for Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, and I'm sure someone else too. So we've got hot chick pair number 1, the originally pre-approved hot chick pair number 1. This is the pair that we were not meant to get, but it was on sale, and we didn't want to walk out of the store with, no shoes. So pair number 2, little internet magic. Okay, I mean, ooh, aren't these fabulous, glorious even. We're still talking the hot chick, the curve, the same heel height, nothing has changed, but we're sporting a gorgeous watermelon combination of the red sole, or red bottoms for my US English friends, and this gorgeous green. With all white outfit, this is going to look so good, so good. So this is the pair that we got because Party Boy messed up and sent us the wrong size, but we still wanted shoes. Now we got one more pair, and we got really excited about them, and we might have worn these to work once already. Maybe not. Who knew? Who knows? How cute are these? I mean, seriously. Look how pretty. This is just so beautiful. I mean, I am kind of thinking of wearing them like, mix and match kind of situation. I'm not saying I'm gonna do it, I'm just saying it's a fun thing to do, a mix and match. So yeah, still the iconic curve, the red sole. These are just so pretty. I'm sorry, budget holder, but I really couldn't. Okay, admitting the big sin. I'd like to preface this with, it was still 40% off. Invoice, no one wants that. Louboutin Eau de Parfum. Yeah, if this is the same fragrance that they keep spritzing over the box and then it stinks, I'm not a fan. Yeah, I'm not a fan. So Louboutin also ventures into beauty. You can get nail polish, lipsticks. Obviously, majority of it is iconically red. He's got perfumes too. He's got handbags. If you're fans, check it out. It's a big box. I was just eyeing these. I didn't really plan to get these, but then my sales associate said that they were 40% off. I know. Well, girl was defenseless. Dust bag. Fun fact, no extra heels, but you still get the mini dust bags. laces. Now, don't tell me these aren't great. Yeah. Look! Yay! Okay, booties, come on out. Okay, booties are called Anje, A-N-J-E, I think. 100, therefore 10 centimeters, close to 4 inches. They have them in this gorgeous suede. Had them also in black leather. I was specifically eyeing these out, and yeah, I was kind of seal deal when they said they were 40% off. Got a zipper, as you can see. The inside is lined with leather as well. They're insanely comfortable. I tried them on with like skinny jeans and then with like a baggy-ish outfit. I'm not sure whether I have photos. Hopefully I do have photos, but look how blooming cute these are. I couldn't leave them there. That would be sad. Alrighty, wonderful people. Thanks for being here with me, confessing my sins, mourning my bank account. Dear budget holder, please don't kill me. And I'll see you next time. My current currently I have my eye on a couple of things. My Fendi sales associate is trying to get me another handbag. I'm not really into handbags, but I would like to get the Dior, like the pajama set. Not really sure whether that's going to fly. We will see how that goes, but wish me luck. Alright, thanks people. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.